Here again is the 1974 Honda CL125 Suitcase cycle. In this brief video, I want to quickly show you how the backbone breaks apart. It's different from my other Suitcase cycles. Once again, you have a lap joint here. You've got a handle that is splined and it has a spring, so you can turn it 90 degrees and then undo the bolt that it's attached to. So when you're all finished unscrewing, this will break apart. When you put it back together, you're going to tighten this. And after it's all tight, you can put the handle in line with the tank tunnel so that it's out of the way. And once again, very briefly, I'm going to zoom in here. And hopefully the camera will focus. Once again, you have a very sophisticated connection here. You've got pins which reinforce interior slugs, and it's all welded and lap jointed, and there are keyways that you can't see where the lap joints come together. So there you go. Once again, thanks for watching.